If you need a quick family meal, simple stuffed peppers are the way to go. These are delicious and another one of my favorite recipes to make during the summer. So to start out, you just need some bell peppers. I like to use the green bell peppers, but any color will suffice. You basically want to place these in the oven once you've cut the cap off and took the seeds out to steam. That way they will soften up just a little bit and be ready for your hamburger meat. So once you place the tinfoil back onto them, place them back into the oven, let them cook a little bit longer to soften. You can focus on your hamburger meat. This stage is pretty straightforward. You just need to cook your hamburger meat until it is browned. Then drain the grease. I like to drain the grease with a paper towel, but it's totally up to your preference how you do that. Next, I add in some quick cook rice, which you can buy at the grocery store in the cups or in the bag to microwave, saving some time and extra steps. Take your rice and stir it into your beef, which has already been cooked. You can also use ground turkey, chicken, just make it your own. Next is time to add whatever sauce you prefer to add inside. I am choosing to use some Sloppy Joe mix just to give it an extra boost of flavor. Now, with our peppers, which have been baked just to get them tender, taken out of the oven, we're going to get them individually, stuff them with our rice and beef mixture, like so. You want to get them filled to the rim. Then it is time to place them back into the oven to continue baking a little bit longer. You're not really worried about anything being cooked, so to speak. You're just wanting that nice mellowness between the flavors, and basically your mixture just is set. And I like to take them out and pour a little bit of sauce on top just to make sure everything is nice, flavor packed, and moist. Then it is time to top your peppers with some shredded cheese. For these, I prefer to use mozzarella, but you can use whatever you like. Then you just simply place them in the oven just long enough to allow for that cheese to melt on top, and you are ready to serve. I serve these with a simple southern Appalachian meal, fresh from the garden veggies, but you can pair this with whatever you would like. You can even make a meal with this pepper on its own, serving a couple of them per plate. They're definitely hearty, filling, and satisfy any appetite. So as you can see here, when they are cut open, they are hearty. All of that flavor-packed goodness inside is definitely sure to please anyone. So like I said, you just need some peppers, meat, rice, sauce. Top that with some cheese, melt your cheese, and you have a delicious meal.